Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect and offload WordPress media with IDrive E2 using the Next3 Offload plugin. Let's get started. First, start by logging into the IDrive E2 console. After logged in, look at the left side menu and click on Buckets. On the Buckets page, click Create Bucket. A panel will open on the right side. From the region dropdown at the top of the panel, select or create the region you want to use for your storage. In my case, I'm selecting Oregon, so my data will be stored in that region. Now enter a unique bucket name. For this time, I'm using NeuralBin. Keep the bucket type set to private. You can ignore options like encryption or versioning unless you really need them. Scroll down and click Create Bucket. You should see a success message, and the bucket will now appear in the list with the US West 1 region. Next, we need to create an access key so WordPress can connect to this bucket. From the left menu, click Access Keys, then click Create Access Key. Give the key a name so you can recognize it later. I'll name it ThemeDev. Your email address will already be filled in, so just leave it as it is. Make sure the region you select here matches the bucket you created earlier. Since I created my bucket in Oregon, I'm selecting Oregon again. Leave the expiry date empty so the key doesn't expire. For permissions, keep Read and Write enabled. If you want WordPress to delete files when needed, enable Allow Deletion of Objects. If you want to restrict access to only one bucket, choose Select Buckets and select NeuralBin. Otherwise, you can leave all buckets selected. Now click Create Access Key. A pop-up will appear showing the endpoint, region, access key ID, and secret access key. Copy all of this information and save it somewhere safe. You won't be able to see the secret key again after closing this window. Now switch to your WordPress dashboard. After installing Next3 Offload, activate it by entering your license key, then click Next. Choose your website type, optionally enable media offload, image optimization, and database optimization, and click Next to continue. Here you'll see the full list of cloud providers supported by Next3 Offload. Choose S3 Object Storage. When asked how to store credentials, select the option to save them in the WordPress database. Paste the access key ID and secret access key that you copied earlier. Now select the region according to the location you chose earlier when creating the bucket. For me, that region is Western North America because my bucket was created in Oregon. In the endpoint field, paste your endpoint, for example, s3.uswest1.idrive e2.com. Save the settings and continue. Next, the wizard will ask you to select a bucket. Choose Select Existing Bucket and pick NeuralBin from the list. Double-check that the region matches, then continue. On the final screen, you'll see a summary of your setup. The provider should be S3 Object Storage, the bucket should be NeuralBin, and the region should be Western North America. Click Save Settings to finish. Now let's test everything. Go to Media, then Add New, and upload an image. In this example, I'm uploading a file called neural.png. Wait until the upload completes. Then open Media Library in List View. You should see the file listed there. In the Next3 Offload column, confirm that the provider is S3, the bucket is NeuralBin, and the region is US West 1. If you want to offload existing media files, select them, then use the bulk action called Offload Files to Cloud Bucket. Once completed, the status will show Offload Yes. As a final check, go back to the IDrive E2 console. Open the NeuralBin bucket, then navigate to WP Content, Uploads, and the current year and month folder. You should see your uploaded image along with the generated thumbnails. This confirms that WordPress is successfully offloading media files to IDrive E2. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.